On Lesson 13's homework, problem number 1, the directions state. Complete the sentences with the correct number of units and complete the equation. So 1A says, 3 groups of blank tenths is 1 and 5 tenths. We want the whole thing to be answered in tenths. So we're going to convert the 1 and 5 tenths into just tenths. So 1 and 5 tenths is equivalent to 15 tenths. So now we just need to think to ourselves, 3 times what number will give us 15, or 15 divided by 3? So if I do it either way, 3 times 5 is 15, or 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 3 groups of 5 tenths would give us 15 tenths. To go ahead and check my work, I'm going to do some more work to the left-hand side. So if I take 3 groups of 5 tenths, so I'm going to take my 5 tenths and do 3 groups of it times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 0 times 3 is 0, plus 1 is 1. If I move my decimal point over one place, and I do the same thing to the bottom, I would get an answer of 1 and 5 tenths to prove that the answer is correct. Looking at the right-hand side now, we have the problem 1 and 5 tenths divided by 3. If I took 1 and 5 tenths and divided by 3, I would need to move the decimal point up. We know 3 can't go into 1, the 3 goes into 15. 5 times for an answer of 0 and 5 tenths. So 1 and 5 tenths divided by 3 is 0 and 5 tenths, or 3 groups of 5 tenths would be 1 and 5 tenths. Skipping on down to problem number 2 now, the directions state, complete the number sentence. Express the quotient in units and then in standard form. So I'm going to look at A. It says 9 and 3600ths divided by 3. We just want to look at the ones place. So we're going to look at the 9 and the 3, and in the ones place we have 9 ones, and we're going to divide it by 3. And then we're going to look at how many hundredths we have, and at the rest of the problem we would have 36 hundredths left over. So we're going to take the 9 ones and divide it by 3, plus we're going to take our 36 hundredths and divide it by 3. So if I take 9 and divide it by 3, I'll get 3 groups of ones, and if I take 36 hundredths and divide it by 3, I'll get 12 hundredths. So the final answer will be 3 ones and 12 hundredths.